focus in 4 English consonant sounds. When the first is t. For example, words are tap, tap, ticket, ticket, turkey, turkey, tissue, tissue, towel, towel, pattern, pattern, kitten, 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 halter, halter, written, written. When the second sound is t, t, t. For example, words are teeth, teeth, design, design, thinner, thinner, tail, tail, radio, radio, body, body, beside, beside, hidden, hidden, spider, spider, comedy, comedy. Next, when the third is th, th. For example, words are thin, 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 thunder, thunder, theory, theory, therapy, therapy, thinking, thinking, Tuesday, Tuesday, nothing, nothing, month, month, earth, earth. When the last is for example, words are set, set, then, tea, tea, tea for, tea, clothing, clothing, brother, brother, other, other, another, another, weather, weather. Thank you for your attention. That are for me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.